Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
With Nikhil. Nikhil, Hotstar Special launched 3 shows with Hostages being the 4th one. मुझे ये बताएं कि success of these shows and what is next up with Hotstar Specials?
I think the show that's next up is Hostages. I wanted to first thank Applause Entertainment, Sameer and Deepak. Our partnership with them has given us some lovely shows. The one that everyone's talked about the most is Criminal Justice, which I'm sure all of you would have enjoyed as well. And this particular show, Hostages, is one that we've been really excited about for a long time. In fact, between Sudhir, the cast, all of us have been talking regularly on when are we going to launch it, when are we going to launch it. Finally, the day is here, May 31st. And followed by Hostages is also a very exciting show, but I'm going to talk about it at the appropriate time. Today is all about Hostages, and I just want to say we're really, really happy with what's happened till now and very excited about this show.
Awesome. Sudhir Mishra sahab, ये आपका digital debut है. What made you take this project?
No, it's wonderful. Thanks to Sameer and Applause and Deepak and Deepak Dhar and all these fantastic actors. A great premise. I really loved making it. It's really very interesting because very rarely you get to make a thriller which is so much in terms of character, the layers, everything in the show. So I don't think you should judge anything by the first episode, for example, because every episode, every character kind of reveals itself. The 2 leads are both contradictory, opposed to each other, yet, they're both right. So, who's who and what and right and wrong are kind of always up for grabs, and it's wonderful the way it unfolds. And I think, we've got a great team, even the technical crew, the performances are terrific. I mean, all of them, Ronit here, Tiska, Praveen, young man's debut, all of these people, Dilip Tahil, my old friend, all of them wonderful with Deepak Sehgal poking us along, it's been wonderful, but my cameraman is wonderful, Sachin Krish, so it's really shot well. And the sound design is very good. Technically, the editing, everything, it's a very well, I really enjoyed making it.
Absolutely, we could see that, and har kirdar apne parat kholte rehta hai.
And that digital platform gives you that opportunity, that you unravel in 10 episodes. You have all that time, you go into the side stories of other characters. It's not just the leads, it's all these, so, there are love stories, and there are what are apparently a love story which turns out something else, of happy marriage, is it? There's many things in this, It's wonderful.
You could see the reaction absolutely right here because जैसे हमने the episode came to an end, we had a lot of people saying, what next? मतलब क्या होने क्या वाला है? So
हर episode में ऐसा लगेगा.
Deepak, your take on this? It's been brilliant, and what do you have to say about Hostages?
Well, we chose this show because apart from being a thriller, it had a human predicament attached to the thriller itself. It's not a serial killer on the loose. So that attracted us to the project. Then, of course, having Sudhir on board was a big bonus. Ronit, Tiska, all came on board, and you all have seen what we've made.
It looks amazing. Tiska, a question for you. Your character is trapped in one of the biggest dilemmas ever. How easy or tough was it? It just looks amazing. To bring this to life, was it easy? Was it tough? How was it?
They say a woman is like a tea bag. You put her in hot water and you know how strong she is. So this character, Dr. Meera Anand, my mouth was watering to play this part. I'm deeply thankful to all the powers that be, Applause, Hotstar, Sudhir, my wonderful cast, crew, everyone. It was just the most fantastic experience, one of the best roles of my life that I got a chance to play, and I enjoyed it every single minute. What a dilemma to have as a doctor, to have taken the Hippocratic Oath and say that I will save lives at all costs, and then to be pitted against your own oath and put your family on the other side. Would you take an innocent man's life? She cuts people up in order to save them, and now she's being told to do something completely different. I thought it was an outstanding, unforced central conflict. नहीं तो normally when you have a show तो उसमें काफ़ी forced होती हैं चीज़ें कि you know एक बनाई होती है conflict, पर इसमें इतना central conflict strong था that at every moment, you know, I was tested to the extreme as the character कि कैसे करेगी इस situation से अब कैसे बाहर निकलेगी. Enjoyed it to the hilt.
Just the walk down the stairs said it all. You know, that walk had so much to tell, you know. And Ronit, what made you choose the show?
What made me choose the show?
And what can the audience expect?
Well, there was no reason to not do the show. It's a great show. It's a critically acclaimed show internationally. And it was brought to me by Applause, by Mr. Sameer Nair, Deepak. So great show to be, great cast to be part of. And of course the man here, Sudhir Mishra. It's been a dream. We were supposed to work on a film which got delayed due to some reason. So for me, this was a great opportunity. And what was the other part?
The other question, see, everybody's been asking कि आप जब starting में आए, you were a cop, and suddenly you come as a masked man. What are you actually?
Who says I came as a masked man?
Because यहाँ पे आपकी आवाज़ बता रही. There's that girl sitting right there said कि रोनित actually है क्या?
हाँ नहीं वही तो कहानी है. That's the story that Tisca's told us about the central plot. Now, what it is about the story and all the characters that contribute to the story is that at no point is it what it seems to be. So it is, even when any of the characters, me included, is doing a specific deed, you don't know what the agenda behind it is, and you don't know whether it is correct or incorrect. So I think the dichotomy of that play and the various layers that every character here has, and like Sudhir sir rightfully said, it's not just about a particular thing, it's also about the young girl's love story. She's not here today. No, you're not a young girl. No, not this young girl. We have another young girl. The brothers, there's a brother-father story here. There's two friends. There's a brother-in-law. Those emotions. So it's not just a bunch of people taking a bunch of people hostage. Like Deepak very rightfully said, there's a lot of layers to the story. And it's not just telling an episode and leaving a hook at the end of it. Every scene or two scenes in the show has a hook and a turn.